Hey folks, hope you guys are doing well. This is going to be a pretty short video, but I'm really excited about this because this kind of came about when Vicki and I were in Las Vegas a few weeks ago. I guess it's been about a month ago. We were looking around and we were in Las Vegas at the woodworking show, AWFS, I think. American Woodworking Federation show, something like that. Anyway, it was a big, huge, we did a little bit of a live from there. Big, huge woodworking show. Well, as we were just about leaving, we came across this booth, and this guy was demonstrating a product, and I was really fascinated by it. And so then when we got back, I talked to him about my channel. If they wanted to furnish me this product, if I liked it, I would do a video on it. So as it turns out, we had some communication back and forth. He ran it by his people, and they agreed to send me one of their products, and I want to demo it for you guys. And this is, again, they sent this product to me for free, but I've been playing with it for about a day and a half, and I love this thing. You guys got to see this. In fact, Vicky's excited about it, Rachel's excited about it, Dad's excited about it. This is something that is so cool. So let's come down here. The company's name is Rangate. I think that's the way it's pronounced, Rangate. And what they make is they make hot glues in different colors. So they make it as a knot filler for filling voids and filling knots. So they sent me this case, and it had the glue gun in it, and then they sent me all of this is kind of like a starter kit kind of thing. So I'm going to go through the process of demoing this, but I'm telling you guys, this thing is so stinking cool. So I'm going to...
He hasn't even let me play with it yet.
It is so cool. So check it out. This is the gun. It has a temperature setting on the bottom. It's, you know, really cool. It looks like an industrial type of thing. And based on the color, you have a chart for temperature setting based on the color. And these are all the colors they have. Black, mahogany, well, you can read them all the way down.
Hold on, let me see if I can zoom in on it.
Yeah, those are all the colors that they make this hot glue in.
Well, be still.
Oh, sorry. So I think they sent me 4 different colors. So it's already warmed up. The color that I have in there right now is Pine Light. So I've set the temperature at 320. I think this is Celsius, this is Fahrenheit. So I've set the temperature. It also comes with a smaller nozzle as well, but I'm using the big one. So what I'm going to do is, we've got these Harbor Freight benches, and they've been kind of, with the weather and heat and cold and stuff, they've been kind of splitting apart. So what I want to do is, we want to refinish these things, grind them down, sand them down, but I want to fill those voids. So that's the reason I put the Pine Light in. But here's the other colors that they sent me. A black, and I would imagine this is walnut, and probably like a white. I'm not sure what color this is. It's probably, maybe not, semi-transparent. That's what that looks like. Anyway, so I'm going to demo the Pine Light right now. I think I'll start over here. And I had some black in it, so the color at the beginning here will be probably kind of a mixture of black and the Pine Light. So what they say is, you want to overfill, and then check this out. This is an aluminum block that you put on there, and you hold it anywhere from 10 seconds to 60 seconds is what they say. So I'm just going to, you know, in my head, I think I count to about 15. But since I'm rambling, it's probably been 15 now. So this aluminum block does a couple different things. You can see it flattens it out, but another thing that it does is it actually pulls the heat. That's already dry. It pulls the heat out of that hot glue, and this thing is already dry. So that's, and you can go on their website and watch videos. Now check this out. So this is another little block that they provide. It's just a little shear. Is that stinking cool or what? I mean, and now you can sand it off. You can sand off any excess that you need to, but that is completely filled.
Do it again.
I think that is just the coolest dang thing. Again, you can see it's right now it's kind of a mixture of the two, and on this bench it really doesn't matter. It wouldn't matter if it was all black.
I thought that all black would look kind of cool.
1001, 1002. Anyway, I have been playing with this thing for, like I say, about a day and a half, and I'm absolutely enthralled with it. And you know, we've been doing a lot of live edge stuff, and we've got some cookies over there that are all split open. I'll tell you what, man, filling your voids with this thing is like so cool. I love it. I stinking love this thing. Pretty cool, huh, guys? Man, that is a way to fill some voids. All right, we still got some glue here. Let's do another one. Again, I think if I was doing a sign that I had to have a certain color, I think I would, you know, kind of clear it out. Now, I'm gonna kind of, oh, see, my microphone just dropped off. That's Vicky's fault.
Well, you're tugging on it. Here.
I wasn't tugging on it.
You're tugging on it.
I didn't have enough of my shirt in it.
Oh.
It's my massive chest expanding.
Oh my
That's what it
God.
is. So now this part over here, yeah, that's pretty dry too. All right, so let me. That is just the coolest. I could probably fill that if I wanted to. I'm not going to, but I could probably fill that. So, all in all, guys, I got to tell you, if you do very much fill, then that is pretty much ready to sand. We can sand it down now and move on with it. So if you got some stuff to fill, this thing is so cool. Again, I can't speak highly enough about it. So this aluminum block flattens it out, pulls the heat out. This thing shears off the overflow. So they do say, and it's really cool. It's really simple instructions. I'm trying to think of.
Case.
Yeah, it comes with a case, and then here's the extra nozzles, the extra tip on there, which I think is a smaller tip than I've got on there right now. But I'm still learning how to use it, but obviously it doesn't take a brain surgeon to figure it out. I love this product, and I want to get the rest of these colors so I can try these other colors. So anyway, guys, I am highly on board with this thing. You're going to see me using this on some upcoming projects for sure. So you guys go ahead and check them out, and I think their website is Rangate, rangate.com/not filler, rangate.com. Sorry, rangate.com. So go check them out. Thank you guys over at Rangate, and specifically Florian. Florian's the kid that we met in Las Vegas. Super nice kid. And he said that he would pass on our information onto the higher ups, and evidently they saw the channel and thought it would be worth it to send me one of these kits to have me do a promo on it. And I'll tell you what, it's a cool product. You guys will like it. Anyway, I don't know yet if they offer discounts to my audience. If they do, at this point, I'll be putting that across the screen. I'm checking with them right now. If they do offer discounts for my audience, audience, I'll definitely let you guys know. Anyway, guys, I hope this was helpful. It was fun. So you guys take it easy, and if you haven't subscribed yet, we'd love for you to subscribe. Sorry this one's real short, but I think it was definitely worth it. So we love you guys. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.